Here is the guide to planning social media content for your pub. So firstly, set your goals. Before you start planning, it's important to have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve with your social media presence. Do you want to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, or generate bookings? Clearly defining your goals will help guide the content you create. Let's take a look at this example of a pub that's using an Instagram reel to promote last-minute bank holiday bookings. Let me take you to a place I know you wanna go. It's a good life. Let me take you. You can see the clear call to action: call us to book and secure a last-minute bargain, and then the phone number. Next, identify your target audience. Consider who you're trying to target in social media and what kind of content they're likely to engage with. This will help you to create content that resonates with them, like in this example of the Dog and Partridge, who've designed a very special doggy menu for their perfect customers. Next, create a mix of content. It's important not just to keep posting the same kind of content, but to try out things like photography, graphics, or behind the scenes videos. Let's take a look at this behind the scenes video on TikTok. Let us show you what our chefs have been making. Include calls to action. Encourage your followers to take action, such as visiting your website or calling to make a reservation. You can see in this example from the Black Horse, they've said if you'd like to book, hit the link in our bio. This will take people directly through to the website. But they've also included their phone number, along with try giving us a call and we may be able to squeeze you in. Identify key dates. Do your research into upcoming holidays, events, and awareness days. These dates have a good chance of trending in the social media platforms. In this example, the Whitmore Tap have used 2 hashtags, Steak and Wine Thursday and National Spouses Day. You can take a look at our free Social Media Awareness Days calendar, which you can find in the video description. That will automatically download the calendar for you, which is an Excel file full of lots of inspiration of different dates for the rest of 2023 that you could talk about. Next, develop a content calendar. This is a schedule of the content that you will post in social media. This really helps you to stay organised and ensure that you're consistently posting new, fresh content. A content calendar should feature key dates to be aware of, such as awareness days, major holidays, or new launches. So use your calendar to plot these dates in, plan your posts accordingly, and you can even pre-write the captions if you'd like. You could have maybe an image or video or GIF column so you can see exactly what kind of content you need to gather and what your main call to action will be. A calendar is especially useful if you're working in a team, so others can see what you've planned for certain days and to help you organise what needs to be created too. You can find a link to this content calendar template in the video description below. Monitor and adjust your content strategy. Regularly track the success of your content using metrics such as engagement, website traffic, and conversions. Which posts have performed the best? What did people get really excited about or share the most in social media? And use this data to adjust your future content. So this is a screenshot of TikTok analytics. you can actually see where your audience have lost interest in your video, which can help you to determine how long your video should be next time. Finally, remember to also keep your brand voice and tone consistent across all of your social media channels. This will help you to create a cohesive brand identity and will make it easier for your followers to recognize and connect with your business. I like this tone of voice from The Lion and Lobster. You can see in their captions they use very chatty, familiar, laid-back language, as well as emojis and capitalized letters from time to time. It sounds like you're talking to a mate. Let's recap what you need to consider when planning your social media content. First, set your goals. Have a think about what you want to achieve with your content. Next, identify your ideal target audience. Who is it that you are trying to get in front of? What are their interests and what's their behavior? Next, create a mix of content, not just photos, but also try graphics, videos, and also carousels. And include calls to action in your content, like book now, watch this video, or grab your tickets. Create a sense of urgency. Identify key dates in the content calendar, so that could be your own marketing events or maybe national holidays and celebrations. Develop a content calendar to stay organized. Monitor and adjust your content. So have a think about what's working and what's not working. And also remember to keep it consistent. So don't let your social media profiles go quiet and try and stick to a recognizable brand tone of voice for your pub, like in this example from the Prince of Peckham.